Welcome to today's Easy English story. Today's story is called Sarah Opened the Wrong Hotel Room. Let's begin. Sarah had just arrived in Rome, Italy. It was her first trip there. She was excited, but she was also very tired after a long flight. She took a taxi from the airport to her hotel. When she arrived, the receptionist smiled and handed her a key card. "Welcome. Your room is 305. Enjoy your stay." Sarah thanked the receptionist, picked up her suitcase, and walked toward the elevator.
I can't wait to rest. I'm so tired. I just want to take a shower and sleep.
The elevator stopped on the third floor. Sarah walked slowly down the quiet hallway. She looked at the room numbers. 301, 302, 303, 304. Then she saw a door. She smiled. This must be room 305. She placed the key card on the lock. Beep! The green light came on. The door unlocked. Sarah slowly pushed the door open.
Perfect. Finally, my room.
Sarah walked inside. But something didn't look right. There was already a suitcase near the bed. A jacket was hanging on a chair. A laptop was open on the desk. Someone's phone was charging. Sarah looked around in surprise.
That's strange. Maybe the hotel put someone else's luggage here by mistake.
Just then, Sarah heard someone singing. The sound came from the bathroom. Her eyes became wide. She stood completely still. The bathroom door slowly started opening.
Wait, someone is here. Oh no! What should I do?
The bathroom door opened. A young man stepped out. He looked just as surprised as Sarah. Both of them froze.
The young man looked at Sarah with surprise. For a few seconds, nobody said anything. Then he finally spoke. Hello? Can I help you?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought this was my hotel room.
Your hotel room? Really? This is room 306. I've been staying here since yesterday.
What? Room 306? No, my room is 305. I don't understand. The key card worked.
Alex smiled. He could see that Sarah was embarrassed. He walked to the door and pointed at the room number. Look carefully. This is 306. Your room is probably next door. Sometimes people get confused because the numbers are very close.
Oh no, you're right. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm really, really sorry.
Don't worry. It happens more often than you think. At least you didn't run away before saying hello.
I almost did. I was so scared when I heard someone singing.
Was my singing that bad?
No! Actually, it was pretty good.
Both of them laughed. Sarah felt much better. She picked up her suitcase.
Well, I'd better find my real room. Have a nice evening.
You too. And this time, double check the room number.
I definitely will. Goodbye.
Sarah walked back into the hallway. This time, she looked carefully at every door. 301, 302, 303, 304. Then she saw another door. She looked at it again. Then one more time.
Okay, this is definitely my room. No more mistakes.
She tapped her keycard. Beep. The door unlocked. Sarah slowly opened it. This room was empty. There was no suitcase, no laptop, no singing. She smiled with relief. Finally, the correct room. Now I can relax. She unpacked her clothes. She took a warm shower. After a short rest, she decided to explore the city before dinner. Just as she was about to leave, someone knocked on her door. Knock, knock, knock. Sarah wondered who it could be. She slowly walked toward the door. She took a deep breath and reached for the handle. Sarah slowly opened the door. Standing outside was the same young man from room 306. He smiled kindly. "Hi. I hope I'm not bothering you. I'm Alex, your neighbor."
Oh, hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. I'm sorry again about what happened earlier. I still feel embarrassed.
Please don't worry about it. Actually, it made my day. It was the funniest thing that happened to me all week.
I'm glad you can laugh about it. I thought you were going to be angry.
Not at all. I came to ask you something. Are you visiting Rome for the first time?
Yes. I've always wanted to come here, but I don't know where to go first.
Then I have something for you. Alex handed Sarah a folded city map. Several places were marked with a blue pen.
Wow. Thank you. What's special about these places?
Most tourists visit the famous attractions. They're beautiful, but they're always crowded. These places are quieter. The food is better, the cafes are cheaper, and the views are amazing.
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Maybe we'll see each other around the city. Have a great day.
You too. See you later.
The next morning, Sarah followed Alex's map. She visited a small bakery. She ordered a fresh croissant and a cup of coffee. Everything tasted delicious. After breakfast, she walked through a beautiful park. She took many photos. She smiled all morning. Later, she stopped at a small gift shop. She wanted to buy souvenirs for her family. She chose a few postcards and a keychain. When it was time to pay, she reached into her bag. Then, her smile disappeared.
Oh no. Where's my wallet? It was here a minute ago.
Sarah searched every pocket in her bag. She looked inside her jacket. She checked the shopping counter. Nothing. Her wallet was gone.
This can't be happening. My money, my bank cards, my hotel key. Everything is in that wallet. What am I going to do? Just then, someone called her name from across the street. Sarah! Wait! I think you're looking for this. Alex was running toward her. In his hand, he was holding a brown wallet. Sarah looked at it carefully. It was hers. She couldn't believe her eyes.
Sarah ran toward Alex with a big smile.
Alex, that's my wallet. Where did you find it?
You dropped it at the bakery. I was having breakfast there too. When I saw your wallet on the floor, I knew it belonged to you. Your hotel key card had your room number on it, so I came to find you.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how worried I was.
Don't mention it. I'm just happy I found you before someone else did. Sarah opened her wallet. Her passport was still there. Her bank cards were safe. Her money was untouched. She smiled with relief.
Everything is here. I can't believe it. Thank you, Alex. You really saved my vacation.
Well, I guess we're even now. First, you visited my room by mistake. Now I returned your wallet.
You're right. I think this vacation will always make me laugh.
Both of them laughed. For the next few days, Sarah and Alex explored Rome together. They visited famous landmarks. They walked through beautiful streets. They tried delicious Italian food. They took lots of pictures. Every day, Sarah learned new English words while talking with Alex. She also became more confident speaking English with local people.
I'm so glad we met. At first, I thought opening the wrong hotel room was the worst mistake of my trip. Now, I think it was the best thing that happened.
Sometimes small mistakes lead to wonderful memories. You never know what good things are waiting for you. A few days later, it was time for Sarah to go home. At the airport, Alex came to say goodbye.
Thank you for everything, Alex. I had an amazing time. I hope we can meet again someday.
I'm sure we will. And next time, please make sure it's the right hotel room.
I promise. I'll check the room number 3 times.
They both laughed one last time. Sarah boarded her flight with a happy heart. She had learned that traveling isn't always perfect. Sometimes unexpected moments become the best memories. And sometimes one small mistake can lead to a wonderful friendship. Thank you for listening to today's Easy English story. Did you enjoy Sarah's adventure? If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us, have you ever made a funny travel mistake? We'll see you in the next Easy English story. Goodbye.